Hello students, Standard 8, Chapter 11 Mensuration, in which we almost learn how to find the surface areas and the volumes for the three type of solid shapes, that are the cube, cuboid and cylinder. Now we are going to start the last exercise 11.4, in which the first question is very simple. You just have to think about the situation given and decide whether we have to find the volume or the surface area. Remember that if anything is done inside, we have to find the volume, but if only on the surfaces, we have to find the surface area. So think about it and you can do it yourself. So we can start with question number 2. Question 1 I give you as homework. So now in question number 2, the two cylinders are given, cylinder A and cylinder B, in which cylinder A has 7 cm diameter and 14 cm height, and in another one B, the 14 cm is diameter and height is 7 cm. Now, given that, without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? It looks like the volume of maybe cylinder B is greater, but we have to confirm by finding the volume. So for cylinder A, one by one we will find the volumes. For cylinder A, diameter D is given 7 cm. So radius is half of the diameter, that is 7/2 cm. Now we have to find the volume. The height is also given. Height H is 14 cm. So now volume of cylinder A is equal to pi r square H. So 22/7, r is 7/2, 2 times because it is square, and height is 14 cm. 7 and 7 are cancelled. 2 sevens are and 2 11s are. So that is 11 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 means 11 multiplied by 7 sevens are 49. We have to multiply 11 nines are 99, 11 fours are 44. So 539 centimeter cube. Now similarly, for the cylinder B also we will find the same thing. For cylinder B, diameter D Here it is 14 centimeter, and radius will be half d upon 2, 14 upon 2, that is 7 centimeter, and height is also 7 centimeter. So now volume of cylinder B is equal to pi r square h, that is 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 into height is also 7 centimeter. 7 and 7 are cancelled. 22 multiplied by 49. So now 22 multiplied by 49. 9 to the 18. 1078 centimeter cube. And as I told you in the beginning also, that it seems that cylinder B has more volume. So, by the formula, we have to find the also surface area. We have to check that whether the surface area is also more or what. So here we can see that volume of cylinder B is more than that of cylinder A. Now we will find the surface area. Now for cylinder A, TSA. What is the TSA for cylinder A? We know that pi r into bracket h plus r. That is 22 upon 7. Here r is 7 upon 2. H 14 plus 7 upon 2 you can take as 3.5 also. So 7, 7 and 11 here. So 11 multiplied by 17.5. So 17.5 multiplied by 11. 11 5 is 55, 11 7 77. So 192.5 centimeter square. Now cylinder B. For cylinder B, TSA is equal to pi r h plus r. 22 upon 7, here is r is also 7 and height is also 7. So 7 plus 7, that is 22 multiplied by 14. So here you can see that surface area of cylinder with bigger volume is more. So by this we can see that if the volume is bigger, then here the cylinder's surface area is also bigger. Now third question. Find the height of a cuboid whose base area is 180 centimeter square and volume is 900 centimeter cube. So here the volume given and the base area given. For cuboid, what is given? Base area 180 centimeter square and height we have to find. Volume is given. Volume is given 900 centimeter cube. And we have to find the height. So now we know the formula to find the volume of cuboid. What is the formula? Base area multiplied by height. There is other also L into B into H. But here when the base area is given, we use that formula. Therefore base area multiplied by height is equal to 900. Therefore, what is base area? 180. So 180 multiplied by H is 900. So H is equal to 900 upon 180. 18 5s are 90. So there is 5 centimeter. Therefore, height of the cuboid is 5 centimeter. Let's take the question number 4. A cuboid. For cuboid, the dimensions are given. Means length, breadth and height. The dimensions are given 60 centimeter multiplied by 54 centimeter multiplied by 30 centimeter. So the first one is the length multiplied by second is 54 centimeter. That we can take as breadth, and the third height is 30 centimeter. Now what we have to find? Let's read how many small cubes with side 6 centimeter can be placed in the given cuboid. So what we will do? First we will find the volume of cuboid, then volume of one cube, and to find the number of cube we have to divide. So first volume of cuboid. We know the formula L multiplied by B multiplied by H. That is 60 multiplied by 54 multiplied by 30 centimeter cube. Here, as I told you when we were doing the examples, that in this situation we need not multiply here, because we don't need the volume, we need the number of cubes that can be placed in it. So now we will find the volume of the cube. So for cube, what is given? 6 centimeter side. Side is 6 centimeter. So volume of one cube is equal to L cube. Here side we can take as L. that is 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 centimeter cube. Here also we need not do the multiplication. It is not necessary to do multiplication. So now number of cubes that can be placed in the cube is equal to volume of cuboid, here cuboid, divide by volume of one cube. So here we will write down the same dimension, so it is easier. 60 multiplied by 54 multiplied by 30 upon 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. Now you can see that 6 tens are 6 fives are 30 and 6 nines are 54. So here cancellation is easier, but if you multiply it, then you have to do the division again. It will take a time, and when there are big multiplication, chances of making mistake, big multiplication and big division. So rather in this type of situation, never do the multiplication, keep it in your mind. Never do the multiplication, keep it, so that when you do the division, we just have to do the cancellation. Now you have to just multiply. 9 5s are 45 times 10, 450. So 450. So 450 cubes can be placed in that cuboid. So in the cuboid, the 6 centimeter side cube, number of cube can be placed, that is 450 cubes. So here we are going to finish today's session. Will be followed by PDF. And any confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.